Hi, I'm so excited to be with these amazing women who are doing the work of saving millions of lives through the amazing extraction kit that has been developed at MyLab. And it's a completely woman-led team. It's this team of 9 amazing women, the youngest being 23, and then led by Dr. Shefali. And I'm so excited to know what drives them, what they're passionate about, how this entire journey came about and came together, how the difference between the thought process of a 23-year-old to all of you, to Dr. Shefali, how you bring all those thoughts together, and what you would advise all of us to do. So I'm going to leave Dr. Shefali to lead this because she's the person who's led the entire team, and I want her to tell us about what is it that drives you and what is it that drives the team.
Okay, so basically the driving force behind all of these or any innovation is the passion about the science and technology, that is one, and secondly to work towards something which would help others in any way or some way. So that's how the whole that is our motto of the company, and also motto of we have like invite that motto all of us. Basically, if you see girls or ladies or women who are passionate about their home, they are always passionate about their work. That's exactly is happening in our organization. Not upon only me, there is another girl, Gidan, also is along with us, and all of us created this thinking this is going to really make difference in everyone's life.
Absolutely.
Because when we heard about China stories and when we saw what was happening, and we knew with world being so small and so close to each other, we thought it is going to touch us any day.
Okay.
And that's when we started thinking. We started from the drawing board. We have a sort of a think tank, of which these 2 girls and 2 more girls are also part of it. Reshma and Aditi, they all are part of it. And the one you were talking about, youngest, 23?
Correct.
Utkarsha.
Okay.
She also is as passionate. So we have a big think tank. We put a drawing board. We have all the processes in the place. And that's how we decided, okay, we should go about this and we should be able to practice.
Amazing, amazing. So how long, Mithali, did it take you to put this together?
Basically, the kit development started in a duration of 6 weeks. We started the work at the same time. The other things which we had to put online, that is a facility, the other portal submission part. So we were into everything, like multitasking. At a time we were doing n number of activities, development of kit. At the same time we had to address FDA, because without our test license we were not supposed to manufacture the batch. And once the test license is with us, we had to again go for a manufacturing license.
Correct.
On which we had to submit evaluation batches on NIV. So we had a tremendous pressure. But as ma'am said, we are very passionate with the work what we are doing, and the situation in which we were, like entire world was like nothing is there for Corona. In that situation, we have come up with this kit. So it was a pressure, appreciation, motivation, and many more things at the time in us, that we have to do something for people around us. And this was a chance, like we got to serve our nation. So like still
That
we
is
are
so amazing. No, that is so amazing. And how does it feel, Aditi? How does it feel to be in a all-woman team?
Yeah, it's always been a great thing to work with ma'am, and you learn a lot of things from them.
Correct.
Because she at this age, she is so disciplined and all. We just learn everything from her. And moreover, yes, we are science students, every one of us, and to apply your knowledge for a well-being of society. So that's what's the passion behind, and everybody is working for it.
Nothing greater than that, huh? To be able to
Yeah,
to
and
be able to
everybody
use
of
our
us, I
knowledge
mean,
to-
other team members, it's a whole team. I mean, right from our housekeeping staff to everybody is working right now 12 to 18 hours.
Wow.
And just everybody has just one motto that, okay, we have to serve for the nation.
So there has been no lockdown for you all.
We is headed by Mithani ma'am. So
Correct.
under her guidance, we tackle certain problems, and if there are, because you have to even update your certain kit criteria, so that we do under Shifai ma'am's guidance.
So basically,
So this is,
these two girls are specification setters under the guidance of ma'am. So whatever product we are manufacturing in the facility, initially all the parameters are to be set with the stringency, with the thought process ki what will happen if the limit goes this way or the limit goes the other way. So this team is doing a thorough study on that. How long they both know. No 24 by 7. It is extended till the time they achieve the proper results. Because once the product comes here in the facility, then we don't have any scope to do any changes with the specifications. So they are double sure whatever they share it to facility. So that's pressure they are handling.
That's amazing.
Basically, R&D team is sort of a heart of any development.
That's amazing. Yeah.
So unless R&D develops, and when I say crack the code, sort of, so really you have to check each permission combinations, what you will use, what reagents you would use, how they would go into manufacturing, what exactly temperatures should be used. All this is cracked by
That's
the whole
amazing.
team.
Kudos to really, this is so amazing that I've gotten the chance to meet all of you today is truly an honor. It is to meet each one of you. Is there something that you would like to tell the world about the kit or about your work?
See, what we have created is an amazing product, and we aim to test each and every Indian so that we don't fear, we don't suffer, we don't get into trouble.
Absolutely, and it's like prevention is better than cure. So this is the vaccine action to prevent. It's like a when I say vaccine action, it means in lean manufacturing, how you say that before a problem occurs, you find a cure before that, right? Like
So what these can help us is like if sort of what government of India is looking out for, like
Correct.
pooled testing or
Correct.
green zone testing. So the our kit can help in that, because our specificity and sensitivity is very good.
Correct.
So if the pooled samples are also used, can be tested, and it can filter out single positive sample, and that can be quarantine.
That's amazing. That's so amazing. So how y'all? I know that whenever I'm asked how do you balance home and work, and how do you, is there a glass ceiling? I say there is no glass ceiling for women. There's nothing, right?
Nothing.
It's what you aspire to be and what you work towards is what you will always have the confidence to achieve.
Exactly.
But has there been a lot of support from home? Have they been scared about you getting out every single day in the lockdown and working 18 hours, 20 hours?
No.
Basically, I'll say we all women are blessed with a hormone called as multitasking hormone. So like it's bang on, we look after our home, our family, at the same time we look after in our workplace. And yes, it was a tremendous support from our family members that we were coming out in the lockdown. We were working 24 by 7, extended hours, late night going, staying in the facility, staying in the lab. But yes, our backbone, our support is our family.
Correct.
The next support is our MyLab family, because though we were on bench working 24 by 7, even our directors were with us. No time we had got we are alone. or what will happen if we are getting infected. No, it doesn't came because firstly, as I said, we are very passionate. So like kuch bhi ho jaye, we are going to hit our target. That was the aim. Secondly, as I said, women are blessed with multitasking hormones. Yes, at times we can put our hands in everything and we have a confidence ki yes, we can do it. And very important thing was MyLab was the first to come out with this kit, and we all are a part of MyLab.
Correct.
So we were very much happy and glad seeing people that we are a part of MyLab. When there was a lockdown, it was really a pleasure for us. People seeing our iCard were allowing us to move.
Amazing.
At the same time, they were restricting other people's having anything. But like we were supported everywhere as we were doing. We are involved in emergency service, so we had all this respect because of we are a part of MyLab, and because MyLab have came up with a kit like COVID. So
Yeah,
I can
absolutely.
say.
In fact, I think all of you and MyLab is going to, it has made history, right? You're really a part of history which is going to be able to save the human race from being largely affected by this pandemic.
Right.
And hereafter also, I'm sure you're going to come up with amazing solutions, because I was just talking to Devashi before this, and he was telling me how there are so many more exciting things that are coming up in healthcare, in so many very, very important areas of human life. And Dr. Shefali, I would love for you to give everybody who's watching us a message from your side, like all of India, all of the world, and tell them everything that women can do and that we can do together as a nation, and for you to inspire them with something that you want to say.
See, basically, don't look for opportunities. You just be there, do your work, and don't wait for glorification. It will come because you have worked towards something which is great, which is going to help someone. Glorification is really not the part of your life. It will come in any case. Just work passionately and help others. That is all I can say.
That is so amazing. That is so amazing. Is there anything else that's very close to your heart, or that's important to any of you that you would like to say to our viewers?
From our side, I just want to say we will definitely come out of this situation. We are near about. Just have confidence and faith. Like we Indians, we never give up anything. So even now, I'll say ki just have patience and just go ahead with all the necessary precautions we should take.
Correct, absolutely. So I think from this magnificent and historic team at MyLabs, we're just saying, India, have patience. For the world to have patience, stay positive, remain the best at what you do, give without the expectation of being glorified. But as soon as you start giving, and you start giving from your heart, and you repurpose yourself, and you use your knowledge and your passion towards something that helps humanity in times of, whether it's in times of a pandemic or whether otherwise, and if you can contribute to the betterment and the enhancement of human life, then I would say we've achieved our purpose. We've led this life beautifully. We've led this life purposefully, and I would really like to thank this team for what they're doing today. And I'm so proud. I'm so proud of the fact that I'm in such august company, and thank you so much for doing this for our country and for the world.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thank
Thanks
you.
for the appreciation.
No, of course. Thank you for what you do.